सल्लु अलैहि वालिहि।
Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 4, narrated Jabir bin Abdullah al-Nasari, while talking about the period of pause in Revelation, reporting the speech of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While I was walking, all of a sudden I heard a voice from the sky. I looked up and saw the angel who had visited me at the cave of Hira, sitting on the chair between the sky and earth. I got afraid of him and came back home and said, "Wrap me in blankets." And then Allah revealed the following holy verses of Quran. O you Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wrapped in garments, arise and warn the people against Allah's punishment. Up to and desert the idols. After this, the revelation started coming strongly, frequently, and regularly. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5, rated Sayyid bin Jubair ibn Abbas in the explanation of the statement of Allah. Move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith, said Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, used to bear the revelation with great trouble and used to move his lips quickly with the inspiration. Ibn Abbas moved his lips, saying, "I am moving my lips in front of you as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to move his." Sayyid moved his lips, saying, "I am moving my lips as I saw Ibn Abbas moving his." Ibn Abbas added, "So Allah revealed, move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith. It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, the ability to recite it," which means that Allah will make him remember the portion of Quran which was revealed at that time by heart and recite it. The statement of Allah, and when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad, through Gabriel, then you follow its Quran recital, means listen to it and be silent. Then it is for us to make it clear to you, means it is for Allah to make you recite it, and its meaning will be clear by itself through your tongue. Afterwards, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to listen to Gabriel whenever he came, and after his departure, he used to recite it as Gabriel had recited it. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6, narrated Ibn Abbas Raziyallahu anhu. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the most generous of all the people, and he used to reach the peak in generosity in the month of Ramadan when Gabriel met him. Gabriel used to meet him every night of Ramadan to teach him the Quran. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the most generous person, even more generous than the strong, uncontrollable wind in the wilderness, and haste to do charitable deeds.
صلوا عليه وآله صلوا عليه وآله صلوا عليه وآله صلوا